How to replace the liquid cooling system. Note: only certain models in this platform series support the configuration of the following components: glass side panel, liquid cooling system, lighting control module, LED lighting bar, glass front bezel, front RGB fan, front lighting module. Before you begin, remove the access panel. Removal: detach the fan connector and pump connector from the motherboard. Remove the two P2 Phillips head screws that secure the liquid cooling system fan to the top of the unit. Loosen the 4 captive T15 Torx screws that secure the pump over the CPU. Note: because the screws are spring-loaded, there is no specific order of removal. Carefully pull the liquid cooling system out of the PC. As you complete the replacement of a part for the desktop, you should ensure that all of the cables are correctly routed. The interior of the system should never look like this after a service event. As you route any cables that you've connected back into position, be sure to use the clips, hooks, and tape that are provided on the chassis for this purpose. This prevents the possibility of cables snagging or sagging when the desktop is moved. It also helps ensure clear sight and access to the components, should any further troubleshooting or servicing be needed. Replacement. Before replacing the liquid cooling system, clean off and replace the thermal grease on the CPU. The thermal grease should be replaced every time the liquid cooling system is removed. If you are replacing the same liquid cooling system into the unit, clean the thermal grease under the pump as well. Carefully place the liquid cooling system back into position. The pump hoses should be aligned next to the memory modules. Tighten the 4 captive T15 Torx screws that secure the pump over the CPU. Replace the two P1 Phillips head screws that secure the liquid cooling system fan to the top of the unit. Reattach the fan and pump connectors to the motherboard.